Again.
Hi again. So, just a little documentary on our trip. Pretty much we've just been smashing the whole way. Like, oh, I gotta go A1 to our girl right here.
Hi.
Alright, because she's doing so good. My thing is, so our check engine, like, as we were coming up here. Like, no! So we're trying to, like, figure out what to do, but... So, yeah, so we're taking the time right now to, like, to, give the car a rest. You know, cool down and whatnot. Probably well needed. Ain't that right?
Yep.
Baby G.
I love that.
Baby G. So, yeah, there's a trail you can go down. I think it's pretty cool. So we're doing that. And, yeah, doing big things. Big things. Ain't that right, Baby G?
Yeah.
That's Miss Babe. That's Miss Babe.
Alright.
Whoop, whoop. Ladybug.